Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a natural remedy tea that helps to reduce your tummy flab. This is a very healthy weight loss drink and an immunity booster. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of antioxidant known to boost the immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol and fights against bacteria and parasites. It can treat diarrhea and very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. After 2 minutes to this, add 1-inch piece of ginger chopped. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Then to this add 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick. Let this boil for 2 minutes. Cinnamon has a lot of medicinal properties. It is loaded with antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels and protect against cancer. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this drink is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes and the flavors of the ginger, cumin and cinnamon has come together very well. Finally, off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain the drink and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this 30 minutes after your lunch and dinner for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this natural remedy tea at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.